Let's learn the negative form of the verb be. The negative form is simple. We use the word not after the verb be. For example, am not, are not, is not. Example, we have a positive statement, it is sour, and a negative statement, it is not sour. Let's review more examples. I am late. I am not late. You are busy. You are not busy. She is sick. She's not sick. He is a dentist. He is not a dentist. The tea is hot. The tea is not hot. It is not hot. We are here. We are not here. You guys are hungry. You guys are not hungry. They are tired. They are not tired. The students are late. The students are not late. The eggs are salty. The eggs are not salty. You can also use contractions to join two words together. One option, use the pronoun plus the verb together. He is, he's. Another option, join the verb be and not together. Is not, isn't. There is a special case with I am. There's only one option for contractions. I am, I'm. Also, contractions are not common with plural nouns. Plural means more than one. For example, the eggs. So we can make a contraction with are not. The eggs aren't salty. But we don't do a contraction with eggs and are. A contraction with the pronoun is possible. They plus are, they're not salty. Let's practice. Look at the bold words and make a contraction. You are not. You're not. You are not. You aren't. She is not. She's not. She is not. She isn't. I am not. And remember, there's only one option here. I'm not. What's the negative form using contractions? You are busy. You aren't busy. You're not busy. The students are late. The students aren't late. For this one, we only have one option because we have a plural noun. Dinner is ready. Dinner's not ready. Dinner isn't ready.